Some of the things that I bought are new to IKEA this year, and then some of the things that I have are getting discontinued. Perfectly preserved. Oh man, IKEA veggie medallions, like I have to get that when I go. I haven't been inside a store in many months. Hello, my name is Letitia. I just bought my first home, and so there's a lot of stuff that we gotta fill out with the house. If you're new to this channel and you want to see more DIY home and fashion content, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel, and you can find me on social at LetitiaQ. For the first time ever, I tried the IKEA online pickup. It cost $5 to pick up the order curbside, but it was fine. So I made sure to make a very big purchase. It was about $200 worth of things. First things first, if you know me, you know that I love swoopy things. I have a DIY picture frame that is very similar to this. I saw this last year. It is a tray. Is this not very Letitia? This tray was made for me, and now that we're getting ready to go outdoors a lot and spend a lot of time outside on the deck, that is almost done. Almost done. Backyard makeover is almost near. It is nigh. I feel like this tray would be great for outside, bringing things outside. It also comes with matching glasses, which I think are very cute, but I'm not going to buy them, I don't think, because I think I have enough glasses. I got these two cookie sheets. Ooh, made in Italy. I thought they were silicone because I was looking to replace all the times that we use parchment paper, and then I ended up with these. These two cookie trays are getting discontinued, and they're $8 a tray. You know how vintage discontinued IKEA items get marked up and resold for a lot? Maybe I can hold on to these and then resell them later for $1 million. But I don't know if I'm gonna use these. A new item that I decided to try out, and I'm glad that I only bought one, they have a kitchen towel. Whenever I buy kitchen towels, I make sure that they have the little loop on it because it's great for hanging. 79 cents at IKEA. It feels like it's 79 cents. Don't get this. Not worth it. I've had a plastic bag as a curtain up for many months since we've moved in. I haven't quite decided if I want curtains in our office because we don't really need the privacy. We just need something to block the sun. I decided to go with blinds for now. I think blinds would be a great option, and then adding curtains over it is something that people do. It just so happens that both of our windows fit these two blind sizes perfectly. So I'm gonna go install these right now and see how that goes. Now I know you know that the kitchen is not ideal. It needs to be made over. It's very old. The backsplash is like, can't stand it. I do love the kitchen, but the most embarrassing part, we're just gonna do a quick little, we don't have a dish rack going, and my mom came up with this ingenious idea. Asian moms are just so resourceful. So she took a baking tray with an oven rack and just put it on top, and that has been our dish rack ever since. There's just something about dish racks. Most of them I think are very ugly. Most of them are also very expensive. IKEA actually just came out with this new dish rack. So we're gonna switch that out right now. Gross. Okay, much better. The reason why I chose this dish rack is the color, but also it's made of galvanized steel. I was looking for something with a tray. It came with a steel dish rack, but it was one of those curved ones that only hold dishes, and I would like something that also holds cups because we have lots of big pots and pans. I like to keep it this way. It's a very big tray, actually. I'm very happy with the size. It's the same size as the baking tray. Bigger? Ugh, it's so gross. This coffee can I DIY. Oh, we're empty. It's not my best DIY. It looks a little scrappy, it looks a little homemade, and if I want to have a nice kitchen, this coffee can's just not gonna cut it. I ended up ordering coffee cans off Hay, and I'll be doing a home decor haul later about some really cool things that I found online. We also needed a tray for underneath the espresso machine because it gets really messy grinding coffee beans every day. This espresso machine is Stefan's pride and joy. If the first 3 cars are wife numbers 1, 2, 3, this is wife number 4, and I'm wife number 5. It's a pain. She's troublesome and very difficult, but damn does she make good coffee. So I can't complain, but she's messy. So, got this little tray. Look, it already has coffee grounds. Some sort of coated plastic tray. And it's great. It looks metal and it has a very nice subtle pattern for $4. We have plenty of Tupperware, but I don't know what it is. We just don't put a lid on a lot of our stuff. We have beeswax food wraps. The only problem is that when I wrap up my food, I can't see it with the beeswax. And then I forget about it and then disaster happens. So I got these 3 pieces from IKEA. They're a stretchy food wrap and it works amazing. I'm pretty sure it's silicone. They're like booby cups. Oh man, they're so sticky. Okay, this lime is dead, so don't mind me, but always wash your stuff before. Yes! Perfectly preserved. My friend got this when we went to IKEA and I was like, whatever, I have Tupperware lids in the fridge as well as beeswax food wraps. These are actually kind of pricey. This is the IKEA 365 Plus silicone Tupperware lids. It shouldn't just apply to IKEA glass Tupperware. So I'm going to try it on my own set and see how that goes. So let's test that. Oh, it even stuck to the... I don't know what black magic this is, but it works. It's like a heavier duty silicone, which is why I think it's a bit more expensive versus the flimsy, flexible type. This is quite stiff and it forms a vacuum, seals it up, and holds it right in. I have a small square size and this large rectangular size, which is great because we cook in large portions. And these work great for leftovers, for putting away in the fridge when you're too lazy like us and too lazy to snap on a lid on a Tupperware. I'm so impressed. Also got these magnetic clips. Slim profile. A pack of 3 was $7, so not the cheapest, but they look great for hanging on the fridge. They'll be great for clipping up loose bags of chips, and clipping notes if needed. I personally love going to IKEA. I love going, when I go to IKEA, I always love going upstairs and through the display area to see what they have. And then always getting a hot dog and an ice cream or getting their veggie, oh man, IKEA veggie medallions are my, like I have to get that when I go. For all of you aesthetic Instagram pastel folk like me, they have this 8-pack of lavender candles that is getting discontinued. I feel like I should have bought a few more boxes, but I don't burn candlesticks that often. If you're looking to DIY candles, they need to be 100% paraffin, and these are not. These are 100% stearin. The sole purpose of stearin candles is for them not to bend and warp when they're being heated up. So if you're looking to DIY candles, this is not it. But if you're looking for aesthetic candles, stock up on these. These were very affordable. I don't know why I got this. This is so random. A couple of poppy looking flowers. I'm very cautious about buying faux flowers, I promise. I also bought a garbage can. IKEA has the best affordable garbage cans. Aha! I like that this can be mounted to the wall, not that we need it right now, but this was $20. And did you know, as an adult, I didn't know, but garbage cans are really expensive. If you want to splash out and go bougie, you could get those motion sensor ones, but you know when you go to women's washrooms, those feminine hygiene disposal things where they're like, wave your hand over and the lid will flip and it'll catch your pads and tampons and it will close on its own. Never worked. Never. So I just have trust issues around motion sensor garbage cans. So I have a lot more home decor coming in the mail. I'm very excited to show you, one of them being this electric blue stool. I very much miss going in stores. But let me know in the comments if you're pro shopping in IKEA or if you're pro shopping online. Otherwise, please don't forget to like this video, and you can find me on Instagram at LetitiaQ, and I will see you next time. Bye.